Speaker Pelosi, thanks for joining us this morning.
Good morning.
You wrote Friday that the passing of Justice Ginsburg is an incalculable loss for our democracy. How do you remember her, and how will the House honor her?
The president is rushing to make some kind of a decision because November 10th is when the oral arguments begin on the Affordable Care Act. He doesn't want to crush the virus. He wants to crush the Affordable Care Act. Those with coronavirus who now have, millions of them now have a pre-existing condition. That's what the president wants to crush when he says he wants to replace the Chief Justice in this the justice in this short period of time.
Of course, you're the Speaker of the House, not a member of the Senate. Is there any way Democrats can slow this nomination down or block it?
So the Congress has the ability to overturn the injustices that spring from the Supreme Court. And that's why we have to have a big turnout in this election. Not for politics, not for anything other than what it means to people in their homes, in their lives.
You are in the middle of negotiations over government funding. The government runs out of funding at the end of September. Is there any way you can use leverage in those negotiations to slow this nomination down? Some have mentioned the possibility, if they try to push through a nominee in a lame duck session, that you and the House could move to impeach President Trump or Attorney General Barr as a way of stalling and preventing the Senate from acting on this nomination.
Well, we have our options. We have arrows in our quiver that I'm not about to discuss right now.
But to be clear, you're not taking any arrows out of your quiver. You're not ruling anything out.
Good morning. Sunday morning. We have a responsibility. We take an oath to protect and defend the Constitution of the United States. We have a responsibility to meet the needs of the American people. When we weigh the equities, protecting our democracy requires us to use every arrow in our quiver.
They're really showing themselves to do really well. Come on, man.